60s. Tuesday night, mostly clear. Lows in the lower 40s. Wednesday, sunny. Highs in the mid-70s. Wednesday night, mostly clear. Lows... in western North Carolina until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 6 miles west of Taylorsville, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Taylorsville, Love Valley, Vashti, Hidden Height, Allendale, and Little River in Alexander County. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina: Alexander, Caldwell, and Argyle.
Okay, GSP. Check out that sucker up there.